This program is designed to find the minimum number of train platforms required at a station so that no trains overlap on the same platform. It used the same arrival and departure times of trains to calculate how many platforms are needed. Ito pong sa taas. Yan pong mga include IOStream, Victor, algorithm, using namespace std. In this part, we include the libraries needed for the program. The IOStream library is used for input and output, especially for printing results using code. And then sa Victor, library is used to store multiple values in single variable, like the arrival and the departure time of trains. The algorithm library is used for functions like max, which help us to find the largest value. The using namespace std line allow us to use standard function like quote, Victor, and max without writing std every time. Sa taas is dito ang ating declaration. Itong int na main platform. Yan po. The function is named main platform. Its purpose is to calculate the minimum number of platform needed. It accepts two parameters, ARR, a vector that stores the arrival times of train, and depth, a vector that stores the departure time of trains. The function returns the integer, which is the minimum number of platform required. Getting the number of the train. Yan po sa taas, intn, yung ARR size at the rest. Here, n stores the number of trains by getting the size of the arrival vector. The variable is res is initialized to 0. This variable will store the maximum number of platform needed. Ito po sa taas is ang outer loop check each train. Yan po for int. Sa taas po. This loop checks each train by one by one. The variable cnt start at 1 because at least one platform is always needed for the current train. And po sa taas, inner loop, compare with other train. Yan po sa taas, yan po yung code. The loop compares the current train with all the other trains. The condition is I equal j. Ensure that the train is not compared with itself. The condition, ayan po, yung sa taas, yung ARI at equal AR. Check if train is overlap. This means the current train arrives while another train is still at the station. If they overlap, the program increases the platform count by 1 because another platform is needed. Maximum platform needed. Sa res is max, cnt res. Sa taas po, nakalagay. This line compares the current platform count cnt with the previous maximum res. It stores the larger value in res. This ensures that we always keep track of the highest number of platforms needed. Ito po ang return. May return res po sa return res. This return res the final answer, which is the minimum number of platform required. Ito po ang main function natin ay nasa taas is int main. Yan. Itong may 1000 at 935 and 1100 and 1200 and 1240 1130. In the main function, we created two vector. ARR stores the arrival times of train and depth stores the departure time of trains. For example, train number 1 10 and leaves 10 dumating at aalis ng 12. At yung train number 2 arrives at 9:35 and leaves at 12:40. Train number 3 arrives at 11 and leaves at 11:30. Yan po sa taas yung result. Quote main platform. This line calls the min_platform function and print the result on the screen. It shows the minimum number of platform needed. Yan po. May return sa return 0 po, this line ends the program successfully. In conclusion, this program checks all the train arrivals and departure time to see if any trains overlap. It counts how many platforms are needed at the same time and find the maximum number. This maximum number is the minimum number of platforms required so that no trains have to wait. Thank you.